Hello. Yes, we welcome you back to PSSB, Physical Sciences, Silver Bullet, and Simi Richard here. Yes, we are having this question. It says that three charges, A, B, and C, are placed as shown below. Okay, this is the arrangement we are having. And the question says, calculate the net electrostatic force on B. Okay, how do we undertake this question? This is what you have to remember, that we are calculating net force on B. So we must know that A has influence on B and C will have influence on B. And when you find the sum of those two influences, they'll be giving you the net force on B. So how do we start? We can say the force A exerts on B. Okay. And what do we see here? Let us see what we know. We have QA which is 4 times 10 power minus 9 coulomb. We have QB which is 5 times 10 power minus coulomb. We must know that both of them are positive. You know the intermediate distance, it's in millimeters. So it's going to be 3 divided by 1000 to give you 0.003 meters. Okay, you need that. What comes next is going to be the formula for substitution. And our formula says F is equal to KQ1, Q2 over R squared, where K is 9 times 10 power 9 and Q1 is 4 times 10 power minus 9 and Q2 is 5 times 10 power minus 9 and the distance say is 0.003 squared. What you get out of that will be the force A exerts on B. So there we are. The answer is 0.02 newtons. Okay, what do we do next? Next is to find out the direction of B due to A. Okay, both are positive. What do we expect? Repulsion. And remember, it's B which moves because A is stationary. So where will B move? It will come down. And that's the direction which will be taken by B. Okay. So what is the next one? Next one is going to be the force. The force C exerts on B. Okay. And what information do we have about that? You have QC, which is 3 times 10 power minus 9 coulomb. And you have QB, which is 5 times 10 power minus 9 coulomb. What else do we know? You know the intermediate distance. It is 4 millimeters, so it's going to be 4 over 1,000, giving you 0,004 in meters. So next is to get the formula. So according to Coulomb's law, this is what we know. So when you substitute, what do you have? 9 times 10 power 9. Okay, then Q1, 3 times 10 power minus 9, and 5 times 10 power minus 9, divided by the intermediate distance, which is 0.04 squared. Okay, and our answer is going to be so that is what we have. It is 8.44 times 10 power minus 3 newtons. Okay, then what is the next step? Next is to find out the direction of B due to C. In this case, you have to remember that both of them are positive. So if they are positive, what do we expect? Repulsion. And if it's B which is going to move when C is stationary, where will B go? It is to the left. So we have our B like that. So what is our next step? Our next step is to combine. You combine F1 and F2 into some form of a diagram. So this is what we are having. We are having our F1 going downwards and our F2 going to the left. So this one is F1 and this one is F2, and they are meeting at 90 degrees. Okay, so when you reach that point, what comes to your mind? What comes to your mind is that this one has to be solved through Pythagoras. Yeah, this one actually reflects what we call tail-to-tail diagram, and we're expecting our F net to be around here. So what are you going to say? You're going to say F net squared is equal to F1 squared plus F2 squared. And let's see what we have. Our F1 is 0.02 squared, and our F2 is 0. Let me see, it's 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So it's going to be 0.00844 squared. And what do we get out of that? Let us see. So this is what we have. F net squared is equal to that. Next step is to find the square root of each. Okay, so what is going to be our F net? Let's find out. So there we are. Our net force is this 0 0.022 newtons. And with that, would want to thank you for your time. The channel is PSSB, Physical Sciences Silver Bullet. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like, to share. Yes, we believe you will not regret. Bye-bye.